Hey everyone, and welcome to my ALLO Communications review. I'll cover my experience and usage, with service links down below. ALLO is a regional internet provider bringing super-fast fiber optic internet to homes and businesses in Nebraska, Colorado, and Arizona. They're known for their 100% fiber network, offering symmetrical upload and download speeds from 500 megabits per second to a blazing 10 gigabits per second. This makes them a great choice for gamers, remote workers, businesses, or anyone who needs a powerful connection. Symmetrical speeds are a game-changer for video conferencing, online collaboration, uploading huge files, and lag-free streaming. ALLO's network handles multiple devices simultaneously with ease. They're dedicated to customer satisfaction, offering 24/7 support with responsive text and a handy mobile app for account management, troubleshooting, and usage monitoring. ALLO also shines with transparent pricing. No hidden fees, data caps, or contracts, just straightforward, predictable billing. Plus, they offer whole-home Wi-Fi solutions with mesh networking for seamless coverage. ALLO's mission is to bring high-speed fiber to underserved areas, building a reputation for reliability and innovation. Check the description to see if ALLO is available in your region. If it is, and you need top-tier fiber internet with transparent pricing and reliable support, ALLO Communications is definitely worth considering. Click the links below for more details and plans.